Most DTF printers sold online are clunky, underperforming machines that clog, smear, and waste ink. Pick wrong and you're stuck with wasted ink and failed transfers. Ever spent hours trying to calibrate one just to end up with cracked prints? Today, I'm here to help you pick a reliable option that actually delivers. Today, I'm going to be going over the best DTF printer that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the DXZ XP600. The DXZ XP600 is designed to boost efficiency with a built-in cutter that saves film and streamlines operation. The printer ships with a 2-year ink supply, including 5 bottles of 250 milliliters each and 500 grams of powder. The XP6 color printhead drives a resolution up to 2800 by 1400 dots per inch, delivering vibrant details. Its printing speed reportedly doubles the capacity of the L1800 and L805 models, enabling faster production for busy shops. The A4 DTF printer supports rolls or sheets up to 8.27 inches wide, offering flexible media options for various projects. A built-in white ink mixing system and semi-automatic cleaning system help prevent clogs and ensure smooth white ink flow on light and dark fabrics. The upgraded roller feeder reduces film feeding issues and minimizes jamming, contributing to smoother, more reliable printing across batches. Unlock the latest software upgrade and security-focused updates make it an attractive option for enterprise buyers seeking long-term viability. Professional after-sales service includes a 1-year warranty on non-consumable parts and a 6-month warranty on the printhead, underscoring dependable support. In real-world testing, color saturation remained consistent across fabrics and transfer attempts, validating the official transfer rate claims. Compared to the L1800, the XP600 delivers faster production and more reliable white ink flow for vibrant results across light and dark textiles. The pros include the 2-year ink supply, built-in cutter, and upgraded roller feeder. The cons include higher price and a relatively large footprint that may pose challenges for compact studios. At number 4, we have the InkSonic R1390. From the moment you unbox it, this model positions itself for beginners, small shops, and custom apparel makers seeking reliable DTF workflow. Its premium brushed aluminum shell communicates durability, while a compact footprint demonstrates thoughtful industrial design for busy production desks. An impressive 13-inch print width pairs with up to 2800 dpi, plus a continuous ink supply and adjustable air suction. Each unit includes 24/7 one-on-one technical guidance, phone support, installation videos, and detailed manuals to ease setup and production. White ink protection combines circulation, mixing, and filtration to prevent pigment settling and keep white ink flowing during idle times. The bundle ships with 3,500 milliliters of premium ink and matched film, hot melt powder, and essential maintenance supplies. Designed for cotton, polyester, denim, canvas, leather, athletic mesh, and blends, it suits side businesses, home studios, and growing apparel brands. During real-world testing, it maintained consistent color, smooth film feeding, and reliable transfers across fabrics while keeping white ink circulation stable. The dye-based transfers exhibit sharp edges, vivid colors, and smooth gradients, thanks to the high resolution and well-tuned ink formulation. Maintenance routines focus on weekly flushes, printhead care, and filter checks, with the circulation system designed to minimize downtime for continuous production. Compared to a typical entry-level A3 DTF printer in its class, the InkSonic R1390 delivers broader width and stronger ink management. The pros include wide 13-inch print width, premium white ink protection, and comprehensive 24/7 technical guidance. The cons include a higher price point relative to basic models and a larger footprint that may challenge compact setups. At number 3, we have the Epson ET-8550. From the first unboxing feel, this printer targets photographers and enthusiasts who want long-term ink savings and exceptionally vivid color. Its chassis blends a robust build with a compact footprint while showcasing cartridge-free printing that reduces waste and simplifies replenishment. With a 6-color Claria ET premium ink system, the printer achieves vibrant tones and smooth gradients across photo and document prints. In practical testing, 4x6-inch photos cost about 4 cents each, a fraction of traditional cartridge print expenses. Epson markets the ability to print for up to 2 years with each replacement ink bottle set, easing scheduling and supply planning. This model also emphasizes reduced cartridge waste and a straightforward refill process that keeps downtime minimal during busy projects. Borderless prints up to 13 by 19 inches expand portfolios, enabling exhibition-quality images and large-format posters from a home studio. The printer accepts media up to 1.3 millimeters, enabling thicker cardstock and custom label media without frequent tray swaps. Built-in wireless and Ethernet connectivity streamlines sharing across devices, and a dedicated app provides simple status checks and print queues. In real-world testing, color accuracy remains strong across photos and documents, with smooth tonal transitions under standard ambient lighting. Compared to Canon ImagePrograph Pro 1000, this EcoTank delivers lower running costs and simpler maintenance for hobbyists and small studios. The pros include cost efficiency, easy bottle refills, and flexible media handling for thick papers and creative projects. The cons include a higher upfront price versus basic inkjet rivals and a larger footprint requiring space planning. At number 2, we have the DXZ XP600, a high-speed DTF printer designed for professionals seeking reliable color transfers and durable prints. This device features a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels highly durable in everyday use and communicates a serious professional presence. It supports rolls or sheets up to 8.27 inches wide, enabling flexible production for various garment sizes. A built-in cutter sharpens workflow by trimming film automatically, reducing waste, speeding job completion, and avoiding manual miscuts. Included is a 2-year ink supply with bottles and powder that dramatically lowers ongoing operating costs and factory downtime. Driven by an XP6 color printhead, this model doubles the speed of prior systems while maintaining sharp color and reliable saturation. A refined roller feeder minimizes feeding errors and jams, enabling smoother operation during high-volume runs on challenging fabrics. Continual software upgrades arrive free of charge, delivering improved stability, security, and new features without disrupting existing workflows. DXZ backs professional after-sales service with a 1-year non-consumables warranty and a 6-month printhead warranty along with expert support. When lined up against the L1800, the XP600 base platform doubles speed while color fidelity remains strong and consistent. In practical testing across diverse fabrics, transfer rates remained stable and color saturation stayed vivid from light to dark materials. The pros include fast printing speeds, robust build quality, and 2-year ink supply. The cons include higher price and larger footprint. With light and dark fabrics, white ink transfer remains vibrant due to the white mixing system and semi-automatic cleaning, maintaining consistency. For shops aiming to scale, this model blends speed, versatility, and enterprise-level updates into a compelling DTF solution. At number 1, we have the FAFAIR L805. Right out of the box, the FAFAIR L805 presents a compact all-in-one workflow with white ink management. Its all-in-one approach, combining white ink handling with automatic cleaning, reduces maintenance chores and makes setup approachable for newcomers. The built-in software guides users through image import and printing, then transitions to an oven curing step that speeds color fixation. Durability is emphasized through sturdy construction and careful packaging, with wooden cases designed to protect the unit during shipping and handling. The printing width is 8.27 inches, enabling a versatile range of transfer patterns for various fabrics. All-in-one function includes integrated white ink mixing, white ink circulation, automatic cleaning, reduces nozzle clogging, maintains printhead performance. Ultra-high definition resolution of 1440 dpi delivers precise tones, while rapid ink solidification heating accelerates curing. With an 8.27-inch wide print area, it handles a broad spectrum of transfer projects. In practical terms, the continuous print output and efficient curing reduce downtime, making it feasible to complete multiple transfers in a single session. Beginners appreciate the guided setup and built-in software that streamlines image import, print preview, and error-free color management. The package includes the L805 printer, a DTF oven, 5 ink bottles, transfer film, and a nozzle cleaning kit. When compared with the Aroma ARC914 SBD, the FAFAIR L805 offers stronger ink management and faster automation. From a practical perspective, the pros include all-in-one ink management, high-resolution printing, and built-in oven curing that speeds workflows. The cons include higher price and a requirement for dedicated space to accommodate the oven, which may challenge compact workstations.